What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another throwback video, guys. Just giving you guys these throwback videos, like I said, until I'm able to start taking you guys to the auction. Let's go ahead and get right into it. This was one of the nicer cars I bought as well. I really did like this car. This was a 06 Lexus Gs300. Yeah, man, this was a very nice car. I actually like this car a lot. But the only thing about this car was that it did have 205,000 miles. That's right, I said 205,000 miles. But as you can see, the car was nice and clean. As you can see, it was a little scratch right there and along the door, just real small. You couldn't really barely see it. So you have to really be looking to really see it. But I just wanted to make sure I showed you guys that and showed the customer that. But as you can see, man, this was a nice car. Everything was tinted. The interior was nice. The AC worked. The heat worked. Everything was nice on this bad boy. I did pay for this bad boy at $3,800, almost $39. You might as well say $39 because it was like 38 and some change. But I think it was like $38.89 or something crazy like that. So yeah, I did pay $3,900 for it. I know that was kind of steep for the miles at 200,000 miles, but the car was good, man. Wasn't nothing wrong with the car. It just had a whole bunch of miles on it. Tires were good and everything. Just made sure I showed everybody that the tires were pretty good. I should be going into the interior any second now, but yeah, man, this was a nice car. It had the keyless entry and everything. All of that did work and everything. Nice interior. Check it out. Nice interior. All that was a little messed up right there. I could have glued it, but I didn't even do nothing to this car either. I just bought it and sold it. I sold this car for $4,400. So only made a little bit of money, man, but did make some money. If you guys in this business, you know some money is better than no money, guys. So yeah, I sold it for $4,400, paid like $39 for it. So only made a couple of bucks, but we did make money, guys. And everything worked on this car. Everything was good to go. Yeah, man, everything was very, very clean in this car, man. There wasn't nothing wrong with this guy. Thanks, guys, for watching another one of my videos. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Make sure you check me out on the next throwback video, man. Again, a lot of content coming for you guys soon. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, guys. You won't regret it. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Help your boy out, trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. I think we're at 948 right now. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.